Counter-Strike is a team-based first-person shooter played on PC. The game is 5 versus 5. The two teams are the terrorist and the counter-terrorist. If you're playing as one of the terrorists, your goal is to plant a bomb at a predetermined point on the map before the timer runs out after 2 minutes. If you're playing as a counter-terrorist, your goal is to stop the terrorist from planting the bomb. If either team kills all of the other members on the opposing team, they win automatically. You don't respawn if you're killed, but you do come back at the start of the next round. Teams switch side after each round so the terrorist become the counter-terrorist, and vice versa. Matches are played until one team wins a total of 16 rounds. Before the start of a round, you have 20 seconds to purchase your gear. The amount of money you have to spend increases if your team won the previous round. Once you've purchased your gear, the round starts. If you're playing as the counter-terrorist, work with your team to defend the bomb site by shooting at your enemies as they advance. Keep the terrorist from infiltrating the bomb site and detonating the bomb. If you're playing as the terrorist, designate one player to pick up the bomb at the beginning of the round. Then, fight your way into the bomb site by shooting and throwing grenades or flashbangs. Once you're in the bomb site, defend the area and plant the bomb to win the round.